Tech Mahindra Foundation has partnered with Spaston for about 10 years or more. And I believe the cornerstone of this partnership is built on mutual trust, shared values, vision, and goals. So, many of these families that we work with are newly unemployed and are unable to pay for the digital access. For the economically weak families, it only further exacerbates the exclusion from services. And pandemic has merely thrown open the systemic inequalities, especially children with disabilities face, which further results in excluding them from the mainstream world. Students with disabilities are not only missing out on the academic learning, but the therapy services that is provided by the multidisciplinary team. So this could potentially affect the achieving their developmental milestones and the readiness to engage and learn. This one unintended outcome of this pandemic was that our teachers had to really ramp up their own skills in using technology. Our teachers now realized how they can bridge the gap between education and learning through technology. They were able to provide teletherapy. They were able to make parents become a therapy assistant through the model videos that we were sending to them, and the number of teaching learning materials that was developed by my team of teachers. So, the online mode of learning has truly benefited those students who are able to access distance learning in the current COVID era. We had to adapt the curriculum so that the mothers can manage, develop model therapy and activity videos in multiple formats, be it audio or videos. We included learning objectives into the day-to-day routines around the house. Capacity building of the teachers was ongoing during the COVID period. There were a number of webinars which was offered by a number of very reputed organizations, which was free, and most of our teachers optimized those opportunities because they could learn at a pace within the comfort of their homes. So that was one huge advantage. Similarly, the Rehabilitation Council of India also rolled out a number of webinars which were either free or very nominally priced for the education of the teachers. But there's another area in which perhaps there's a lot of scope for building the capacity of the teachers is how does one use technology as an enabler for teaching. Perhaps the skills in using technology is limited, but that alone is not an issue for us. Many of our teachers do not have access to laptops, which is a basic building block for them to be able to use the skills. Since maybe because of resources, special education has not fully optimized or taken the effort to use technology. As we have now learned how we can optimize and mix technology with teaching so that every student can learn at his own pace, in his own place, when appropriate, and in a path which is specifically designed to meet his learning, education, and therapy needs.